How to delete your Genshin Impact account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can delete your Genshin Impact account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete your Genshin Impact account, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and then open up your browser. It doesn't necessarily need to be the app, whether you're on Android or whether you're on iOS or whether you're using it on your desktop or your Mac. All you need to do is open up your browser and then you simply want to go to genshin.mihoyo.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link down in the description box so you can just tap on that link directly. Just go to genshin.mihoyo.com and then you will come to this page where from the very top you will find the section that says official site. You just want to tap on this button over here. Once you tap on the button that says official site, you want to make sure to sign into your Hoyoverse, or better known as Genshin Impact account. So tap on the three lines from the top right. I'm already signed in, so you're seeing my profile email over here. If you have not signed in, make sure to sign into your Genshin Impact account and then just tap on your profile email here. Once you tap on your profile email, by default you're going to be under account information. So if you're on a website on desktop, then it's very easy to find those options, but if you're on mobile, tap on the three lines again over here and you want to switch to account security settings. Once you go to account security settings, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then you'll find the option that says delete account, request account deletion. Now the process to delete account Genshin is that you have to request an account deletion, and you don't just tap on delete and then it gets deleted automatically. You have to go ahead and then request the deletion for the official website or the official support page of Mihoyo or hoyoverse.com. So I will go to requesting account deletion tab over here. It'll give me a few other details. Now keep in mind that in my case, I have made changes to my account within the past 30 days, such as maybe I changed my email address or maybe you changed the password. Now if you change the email, your password, your added phone number, any type of account information that you've updated in the past 30 days, then in order to just prevent risk, your account is not going to be deleted for the next 30 days. So just keep that in mind. Now in my case, you can see it says, as such, be reminded that you have changed your password, modified your linked information, or conducted either sensitive operations within the last 30 days, and to prevent risk to your account such as theft or banning, your account cannot be deleted at present, which means that I have to wait at least 30 days ever since I changed my account information. But if you've not changed the account information and everything else is just correct, you'll most likely find the option to delete it, and just like that you'll be able to delete your Genshin Impact account. That's all it takes to delete your Genshin Impact account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.